Today, I'm diving deep into my experience with Bank of America's equipment financing loans to give you a complete and honest review. This loan is aimed at businesses that need to purchase or lease heavy machinery, vehicles, or other types of business equipment. Right off the bat, the process of finding the right information on their site wasn't the most intuitive. While the homepage is polished and professional, it took some digging to get to the exact terms and eligibility details of their equipment loans. Bank of America advertises competitive interest rates, but in my experience, they really only apply if you have excellent credit and an already strong relationship with the bank. For businesses just starting out or with less than perfect credit, the rates and requirements were definitely less favorable. Their minimum loan amounts are on the higher end, which makes sense for large equipment purchases, but it may shut out smaller businesses looking for modest financing. The application process itself is fairly traditional. You won't find a streamlined online-only application here. You're required to speak to a loan officer and often provide extensive documentation. This is fine if you're used to conventional financing processes, but it's definitely not as fast or easy as some of the newer fintech lenders. One of the biggest pluses is the variety of equipment that can be financed. Whether it's construction machinery, manufacturing tools, or commercial vehicles, they offer flexible structures for both loans and leases. You can also structure the repayment terms in ways that match your cash flow, which is a big benefit for seasonal businesses. Their customer service was a mixed bag. I spoke with multiple representatives, and while some were knowledgeable and helpful, others clearly didn't specialize in this specific loan product, which led to inconsistent information. That's something that can easily frustrate potential borrowers, especially when time is critical. Many other useful links you can find in the description. Another thing to consider is the prepayment policy. Bank of America doesn't make it easy to pay off the loan early without penalties, depending on the structure you agreed to. So, if you're hoping to save on interest by repaying ahead of schedule, be sure to clarify this with your loan officer. A key advantage is their national reach and ability to support large transactions. If you're looking to finance high-ticket equipment and want the backing of a major institution, Bank of America provides that kind of security. However, it comes at the cost of flexibility and speed. In conclusion, Bank of America's equipment financing loans can be a solid option for well-established businesses with good credit and high-value equipment needs. But for startups or businesses looking for a fast, digital-friendly process with more lenient approval criteria, there are definitely better options out there. It really comes down to what stage your business is in and how much you're willing to deal with traditional banking procedures. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future reviews.